When a nationwide healthcare facilities management company needed to overhaul its critical janitorial task application, they faced a serious challenge. Their vendors' slow development pace, poor output quality, and mounting stability issues were hurting their reputation and creating a growing backlog of fixes and updates. Task updates were delayed. Critical bugs disrupted frontline operations. And scalability? It simply wasn't possible. The app and the teams needed a transformation. Inspire Solutions stepped in as a trusted technology partner. They introduced a US-led global development team, operating under a follow-the-sun model, meaning progress continued around the clock. They stabilized the application architecture, implemented automation, enhanced offline functionality using local storage, and cleared the backlog of bugs and feature requests. With new processes and automation, development and regression testing timelines were cut dramatically, from days to just hours, without sacrificing quality. The results were transformative. The app became stable, efficient, and scalable for future innovation. Dispatchers gained real-time visibility and control, and client team members were empowered to step into leadership roles within the improved development structure. Most importantly, the company restored its reputation as updates, fixes, and new features began rolling out reliably and on time. Through strategic expertise, global collaboration, and a commitment to excellence, Inspire Solutions didn't just rebuild an app, they built a foundation for long-term success. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus, and quality is our commitment.